What? You holding there?
Are you helping Daddy, Emmeline?
I wish every day could be like this now.
Oh, I know.
Oh my goodness, I know.
Oh gosh.
I like your
Oh my
skirt,
goodness.
Bean.
Look at this for Daddy, huh? It's a bit of an upgrade.
This had better be able to connect to your computer. I'm gonna be sour. No, because we can sell it for a lot more than we bought it for.
Probably.
Bean, do you want to do a twirl? We can show Nana your skirt. Do a twirl. Woo! I love it.
This is not easy, huh? Can we show Mommy? Fist bump.
Yeah, very good.
Awesome.
What have you got, Emmy? Emma Slippies? So she just pulled those out of this bag full of slippers and went to the floor and did that while Evan and I were looking at something. Emma Slippies.
What are you doing?
Our pantsless baby. What have you got, Emmeline?
Yeah?
Is it? Oh, is that food for the pee-peeps?
Yeah.
Oh.
Really?
Well, why don't we leave that peep-peep food here then and just bring the bucket?
Yeah, do you want to empty this out?
Yeah, dump it here and we'll bring just the bucket.
Or do you want to bring the sand? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but can we put it here next to you? Put it here next to you?
Yeah, I think we should. Here, look, you can hold
Okay,
this
where do
one
you
in the
want
seat. What are you getting, Emmeline?
Oh, really?
What is that?
It's that where you're getting,
What,
huh?
what is that?
That is
Did you say maybe or did you? Well, if you're getting it, it goes in the basket here.
What is that?
Look at it. What is it, Emmeline? Oh, skim mix. Oh, it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. But Emmeline.
Can you put it in here then? Put it in here? You're gonna hold it?
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Are you sure or maybe? Maybe.
Better, right?
Yeah, those are okay, yeah.
And wipe it off, okay? Is this why you freaked out? Because this happened? Yeah.
Oh, it's okay,
It's
honey.
okay.
Look.
We can wipe it right off. I know, it's upsetting.
Oh, Bean. It's on her pants. It's the end of the world for her.
Do we have more napkins?
I hope so. What about in there? Is there anything in
Oh, there's someone in the middle.
there? Hey.
Should we take her bottoms off?
Seaweed. We could if we need to. Seaweed, honey. You can pick it up.
Should be alright. It's warm with the sun.
It should be fine if she wants.
Do you want
Seaweed,
to
honey.
take your boots and your pants off, Emmeline? Yeah?
Okay.
Like that? Alright.
Well, you're not going to bud it a lot, but you can
A
certainly.
little bit, quickly, because it's really cold. Alright?
You can always wrap her in this, honey. This long wool one that I have.
Oh! What do you think?
It's now. Are you going to stick your feet in the water and feel it? Do you want to feel the water with your feet?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to bud it all summer, so.
Oh,
How
cold?
is it? Look at mommy, how is it?
Is it cold? Is it cold? That's best.
Is it cold, huh?
Too cold?
That's okay. Don't be upset, don't worry.
Is it cold on your foot?
Is it cold on your foot?
Too cold?
It's okay.
Too cold, okay.
Emily, do you see the swans?
Yeah.
I always thought swans were a bit aggressive, so I don't really...
I'm really hungry. So
Okay, let's go eat. Say bye-bye to the swans, Emmy.
Come, sweetie.
Bye-bye.
Yeah,
You say bye-bye to swans? Let's go have some food. We can see them from over there.
We're gonna have some food.
They're as big as she is.
We're gonna have some food. You want some food?
There you are.
Here, we can put- that's right, yeah. Okay.
You see? Are you sitting there?
Chair.
Are you sitting right there?
Is that your chair?
Yeah. Daddy's going to get the spoons. What are you making? You gonna make a sandcastle? The geese. Say silly geese. Honey. Water's getting closer to you. The geese. Geese, yeah? Does it feel good? Yeah. Are you soaked? Are you cold? Are you soaked? Walk away. Walk. Where are we walking to? Oh, are you soaked, Bean? Are you soaked? What you doing?